we're going to talk about energy in ecosystems. So, our first source of energy in ecosystems is going to be our sun. Our sun is going to provide our light for our producers. And we're going to kind of do a diagram here to represent our energy in our environment. So first we have our producers, or our autotrophs. They make their own food. Now, from the autotrophs, primary consumers get their food, and therefore, from getting their food, they get their energy from there. However, not all of the energy from the autotrophs goes to the primary consumers. About 90% of energy is lost as heat. So that means that only 10% is going to go to our primary consumers. We're going to have the same thing repeat for our secondary consumers. Our primary consumers are going to lose 90% of the energy that they got. And they're only going to pass 10% up to our secondary. We just repeat this for our tertiary. So very little energy from our autotrophs makes it up to our tertiary consumers. So, because of this, our populations of these different groups have to differ depending on how much energy they're receiving. So the size of the bars, or levels, represents not only the amount of energy, but the population size. In that level. So, like I said, we looked at this because, like, the top level or tertiary has to eat more. Of the previous level. To get the required energy. And that is the same throughout all the levels. The secondary has to eat more than the primary because they need more energy. Because less is being passed up from that original. So this is kind of our basic flow of energy through our ecosystem. And yeah.